disappointment it was for the under-17 Reggae Boyz and the entire Jamaican football fraternity as the top seeded Jamaica in a group of 4 only needed to avoid defeat in their final game, and the rest is disappointment. This was again by far the easiest path to a World Cup qualification that there has ever been and will ever be. Top seeded team to play 3 games against 3 lesser ranked teams, and it did not happen. Lesson here to be learned though for the senior Reggae Boyz, with the US, Mexico and Canada excluded from World Cup qualifiers as tournament hosts, should be soup, right? Not quite. The under-17 boys had only the Cayman Islands, St. Lucia and El Salvador. Bigger soup, but they could not drink it. The senior boys, on the other hand, will still have Honduras, Costa Rica, Panama, El Salvador, Guatemala, Nicaragua, Haiti, Dominican Republic, and more. All competing for 3.5 spots. Now you tell me, what not? Soup or porridge?